Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine at home. Okay, now I want to tell you we had learnt up till now present simple tense and four forms of verbs. In this video, we will revise some verbs and their four forms. I will explain you how to read four forms of verbs. So, first we will see the definition of verbs. A verb is a word that shows action. Action. Okay. Now see this page. See, at the top of the page, you had to mention the subject, BG. Then you had to write down date and day. Then you had to write down WP means writing practice. You had to leave one line. You had to give like this heading. Write four forms of verbs. Then you had to make four columns. First column for V1, second one for V2, third one for V3 and fourth one for V4. So you have to make four columns. Now how to read these verbs? I will tell you. So see the first verb, run. In Marathi, धावणे. In Hindi, भागना. Which action is there? Run. भागने की. We will read this. V1 run, V2 ran, V3 run, V4 running. I am reading like this just for your understanding, but you have to read it like this. Run, ran, run, running. How to read? Repeat after me. Run, ran, run, running. See this verb V1 and V3 are same of the verb run. Okay. Now let's see next verb play. In Marathi खेळणे, in Hindi खेलना. मराठीत खेळणे, in Hindi खेलना. V1 play, V2 played, V3 played, V4 playing. Now watch this verb carefully. While writing V2 and V3, at the end of the word play, you have to add their ed. It turn into past tense, means V2 and V3. Okay? You have to add ed with the verb play. You have to read like this. Play. Repeat after me. Played. Played. Playing. Did you understand how to read? Okay. Now let's see the next verb. Come. Come in Maraठी येणे, in Hindi आना. मराठी येणे, Hindi आना. Come, V1 come, original form of the verb. V1 come, V2 came, V3 come, V4 coming. How to read? Come, came, come, coming. Repeat after me. Come, came, come, coming. Okay. V4 will always be written with ing, coming. And while writing coming, you have to keep in mind, you don't write E. You have to skip the letter E while writing coming, V4. You have to write like this, coming, coming. You have to skip the letter E when you will write V4. The spelling will be like this, coming, coming. Okay, let's see the next verb, V4. Sorry, eat. Eat in Marathi खाणे, in Hindi खाना. Repeat after me. V1 eat, V2 ate, V3 eaten, V4 eating. But you have to read like this. Repeat after me. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Did you understand how to read? Okay. Now let's see the next verb, sing. In Marathi गाने, in हिंदी गाना. आप गाना गाते हो ना? ओके. आप पोएम भी गाते हो तो गाने को क्या कहते हैं? सिंग. सिंग. हाउ टू रीड दिस वर्ब? V1 sing, V2 sang, V3 sung, V4 singing. Now you have to read like this. Sing, sang, sung, singing. Repeat after me. Sing, sang, sung, singing. Verb write. In Marathi लिहिणे, in Hindi लिखना. You have to repeat after me. V1 write, V2 wrote, V3 written, V4 writing. But while learning, you have to learn like this. Write, wrote, written, writing. How to learn? Write, wrote, written, writing. Once again, while writing V4, you have to keep in mind, you have to skip the letter here E. You have to write WRITING, writing. Did you understand? You have to skip the letter E. Now let's see next verb, sleep. Sleep याने in मराठी झोपणे, in हिंदी सोना. मराठी झोपणे, हिंदी सोना. Sleep याने सोना. V2 slept, V3 slept, and V4 sleeping. Okay, did you understand? Once again we will read sleep, slept, slept, sleeping. Now let's see the next verb, throw. You have to keep in mind, while writing V2 and V3 of the verb sleep, this slept are same. Okay. Now see the next verb, throw. Throw, V2 throw याने फेकना. In हिंदी फेकना, in मराठी फेकने. You have to write V1 throw, V2 threw, V3 thrown, and V4 throwing. You have to learn like this. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing. Did you understand how to learn these verbs? Okay, let's see the next verb, go. In Marathi जाणे, in Hindi जाना. Go. V1 go, V2 went, V3 gone, V4 going. Now you have to learn like this. Go, went, gone, going. Repeat after me. Go, went, gone, going. Correct. Now we will see the last verb here, read. R-E-A-D, read. See, V1, V2, V3 are same of the verb read. While writing, you have to write the same spelling. But V1, V2, V3 spellings of this verb are same. But you have to pronounce V2 and V3 as read. आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन V2 और V3 का क्या रहेगा? रेड. रीड इन मराठी, वाचने इन हिंदी, पढ़ना. सो V1 रीड, V2 read, V3 read, V4 reading. Spellings are same, but while saying you have to say V2 and V3 read. Did you understand? Okay. Now you have to learn these all 4 forms of verbs. I will show you some more pictures in the next video that related to this. You can understand it better. So you have to practice it every day. You have to practice 4 forms of verbs and present simple tense. You solve more and more example of present simple tense. Okay.